What's up, Bender fam? This is an interesting one. I just got done installing a new taillight. And I just put this all back together so I could show you, but this is not something I expected. The new taillight had bad wiring, and I also don't think it was OEM. It was sold as OEM used. I got it for 60 bucks. But here, let me just explain what happened. So I got it all installed. I tested. The brake worked. Reverse light worked. The blinker did not work, and I couldn't figure it out. I thought maybe it was the bulb. I plugged the old one back in. Bulb, it all worked fine. So I started taking things apart. So I'm gonna show you what's going on here. I installed the new light. Reverse light worked. The brake light worked. Blinker did not. So I started looking around. I plugged in the old one. It wasn't the bulb because it worked in this one. So I opened it all up. Pull that gasket off. The way this all works is the main wire, master wire from the vehicle, comes and plugs in here, and then these wires are what distribute the power to the other bulbs. So what was happening was I tested these two terminals, which come up to the blinker. It worked right here. It did not work. It was not hot where the bulb goes in for the blinker. So what I did was, also this wire just doesn't feel as good. It's not as strong and sturdy as the OEM stuff. It was probably aftermarket, sold as OEM. But I should just send it back, but I want a working taillight. I got it to work and I'm over it. So what I ended up doing is just pulling all the wiring out from the original, from this one, and installed it in the new one. Now everything works great, but you know, if you run into a problem like this, it might help. It's just this, I use needle nose pliers, and these little terminals pull right up. So this was a short, interesting one. Probably only a small handful of you that will ever need this information. Hopefully you make your way to the video to find it. But it worked. Thank you for watching. If you like our content, like, subscribe, hit the bell if you want to see more videos as they're released. This is Dylan from Trailbenders Overland, out. If you haven't yet, head over to our online store to check out the awesome gear we use and all the new merch. Link in the description below.